Hey there, I'm Lily from WEEX. Last week I showed you how to copy trade like a pro. Today we are diving into futures trading on WEEX, how it works, how to set up your first trade, and how to manage risk like a beginner. Stick around because I'll also share how to grab your $30,000 welcome bonus and spin for daily rewards. Futures lets you trade on a coin's price without owning it. You can go long if you expect it to rise or short if you think it's fall. The power is leverage. On WEEX, you can use anywhere from 1x up to 400x on selected pairs. That means small capital controls bigger positions, but higher leverage also means higher risk. So for beginners, start low and keep it simple. To trade futures, you need funds in your futures wallet. Tap Wallet, select Transfer, and move USDT from your spot wallet. Think of it as fueling your car before a drive. Only use funds you're comfortable risking. Next, head to the Futures tab. The chart is in the center, the order book on the right, and your positions at the bottom. On the order ticket, you can choose a market order to enter instantly or limit order to set your price. Just above is leverage slider. Beginners should keep this between 2x and 10x. You'll also choose your margin mode. Isolated keeps risk limited to one trade, while cross shares balance across all positions. For new traders, isolated mode is safer. Say you're bullish on ETH, select ETH USDT pair, set a limit order and choose how much to commit. Before confirming, check your liquidation price. If it's too close, lower the leverage. Always add a stop loss to cut losses if price drops, and take profit to lock in gains if it rises. These tools protect you and save you from watching charts 24/7. Once live, your trade shows in the Positions tab with real-time P&L. Miss your stop or take profit? Tap TPSL to add them anywhere. Too close, you can exit instantly with market. Close or place a limit close to reduce fees. Futures trading is always flexible, you're always in control. That's WEEX Futures in under 4 minutes. Ready to try it? Click the link in the description, claim your $30,000 bonus, and spin daily for rewards. Don't miss it, unused spins reset every day. If this helps, give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and let me know in the comments which futures pair you trade first. Trade smart, trade with WEEX.